All right, last video. I skipped 44. You will not have anything like 44 on the test, and the wording of it is kind of crazy, so we're going to skip it. If you went to Mr. Mahaney's session, hopefully he went over it with you. 45, pretty simple. Law of sines. It's not going to be a SOHCAHTOA. And so you have your law of sines because they give you ASA. So law of sines gives us only one side, which is here, but I need to know all the trim, so I need to know everything. So that's why I multiply by 2. I know that both sides are equal because both of these angles are equal. So it's 31.114 feet. Alright, this one says that normally you would travel 50 miles for this plane, but we had to take a different route. So we have to do law of sines again, and we do law of sines because they gave you ASA again. So you do law of sines, get one answer, which I called X. Then do law of sines again and get the other answer, which I called Y. And then what you're going to do is add this root together. Because when you add the root together, you wind up getting the total miles that you traveled. So since that's the total miles that you traveled, then we were only supposed to go 50 miles. So they didn't ask what was the total miles you traveled. They asked how much more did you travel. So that's why I took my 55.698, subtracted it from 50, and that's how I got that answer. All right, these are the area questions. I think area is given to you on your packet. It is. You do have both of the areas. So you have to know which one to use based on what's given. If you're given 3 sides, use this. Use this one, where you have to find, this is called Hero's formula, where you have to find your S and then plug it in. And if you are not given all 3 sides, most likely you're going to use the other area formula. And looky here, we are at the end. Can you believe it? We are at the end. So this is the very last one. And this is area again. So it says find the area of the lot. So we found the area using the first area formula that's given to you with sine. And that's because you have side angle side here given, so it's just easier to use that one. If you want to use Hero's formula, it'll be harder because you don't have the last side, and then you have to do law signs, and it's just too much work. All right, then they talk about, and here's your real life application. You're probably like, Miss Dorga, when am I ever going to use this in life? Well, you probably won't, but if you want to find out how much you're going to pay per acre for something, here you go. Acre of land is 43.560 square feet, and if the land is worth $56,000 per acre, how much is your land worth? So right now, I have 17,658.952 square feet. That's what that little square in the corner means. Divide that by 43,560 to figure out how many acres you have, and you only have 0.405 acres. Multiply that by $56,000, and basically the land that you have is worth $22,702.05. All right, whew, 2 days of making videos. I am done. I hope you guys watch these, and remember, next quarter, next semester, donate flash drives. All right, thank you guys, and here's a little parting music, the same music that we had to start, because when you're done with your final exams, all you're going to want to do is do what? Party! Plus, you have 2 3-day weekends. So why not party, right? So do well on your final, and you can even party even more, right? Hey! All right, good luck, everybody. And I hope that you guys do well on this, and I hope that this helped.